In this video, we're taking $20 to Dollarama to get everything we need to catch fish. That includes a rod, a reel, line, and lures. After that, we'll be going to 3 different spots to catch a small fish, medium fish, and a large fish. So enough talking, let's get into the video. Here he is, the motherland.
Let's go, boys.
Where that do?
Where'd I go, see?
How you doing?
Now, if I was a hot rod, where would I be? Oh,
It's gotta be right here.
It's gotta be here.
Oh yeah. Come on, we're in luck right here.
Oh, shit.
We got a net. Wait, oh, ooh. Look at that, boys. They got a little fillet knife.
Okay, okay.
We're
Good sign.
doing catch and cook over here.
Let's do it. Them bluegills.
I don't know. Well, what do you think? Should I be rocking this Paw Patrol hat or get one of these? I ain't catching fish like this. I'm telling you, they've got to have something. They've got to have some. Boys, we're done. We're dialed. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. All right. All right. Somebody want to hold here? We'll do a little bit of talking. So beautiful. We've got something to work with. They don't have the rod, but we're gonna go to another Dollarama. We're gonna get the rod, but they've got the reel here. So we're gonna grab this guy right here. It's a 5:2 gear ratio, 2.2 pounds max drag. So we're pulling in a tuna.
Damn.
And the line's probably 1 pound test. So we'll see how that goes. Might have to do a little musky dollar store challenge in the future. So we're gonna grab one of these.
Got it.
Let us know. Well, give me 10 likes on this video, and I'll do a 88-piece dollar store challenge
In the hot pink.
in the hot pink. So we're gonna get that. We're gonna get beautiful.
Couple worms.
Okay. We're gonna get this guy right here, little Cinco's in white. Money. We're gonna get these jig heads right here. Money. What else we got? Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And we're gonna cop these guys right here. Money. So what do we've got so far? We've got $4.75. You wanna hold this, Alexander? Thank you. $4, so that's $8.75. That's $2, $10.75, and then $10.75 plus $3.50.
$13.50. No. 14. Carry the 7.
25.
I told you.
25. There we go.
Got it on the money.
The rod I already know is $5. We're gonna find it. We're ready to go. Let's do it, boys. Thank you. See, the thing is, boys, we gotta get snacky poos.
Gotta get some diabetes in this.
Olives. We're gonna run some olives.
I'm down for that.
Yeah.
And champagner entiers. Got it. Mixed vegetables.
Yep.
Fuck, are we kidding? We're getting cupcakes, croquettes. We're not gonna be able to make this, but I'm getting it to feel good.
Hey, what if we get a little pool action here? You think the fish are gonna want to play some pool?
But call me Legolas. I'm a sniper fish. Size.
Little dollar store bow fishing.
Yeah. And if it comes on land, I got us covered.
Holy shit! It's Jason Bourne.
Let's see guys over here.
Talking about some fees, go ahead, bring that wish. If you talking about OGs, we gon' knock you out the pictures. Walk hard, I'ma pour it out the picture.
So the whole point of this video pretty much is I want you guys to have $25, go to the dollar store, and you catch a variety of different fish. So we're gonna go after small fish, medium fish, large fish. We're gonna try to catch, I don't know, bluegill or some sunfish, catch a bass, catch a catfish. Anything else, thumbs up. We'll see. All right, so I'll show you guys the rod. Right here we got the fishing rod. Canapesh. For all you bilingual mouth. Swan quality fishing. It's a medium heavy, 5-foot medium heavy. And it takes 8 to 15 pound line.
Not bad.
And so yeah, so first I should include that.
Yeah, you have to.
First we're gonna try to catch a bluegill. For that we've got the classic right here. Worst comes to worst, we'll pop the plastic off, we'll find a worm, we'll get the job done. I'm pretty confident in that. Let's see what we got. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This is what $5 gets you. It's blocked. Stay tuned, boys. I gotta clear some space. Do you see that? See it in the camera?
Yeah, clear.
This is supposed to go here. This no go. I don't know if you ever played those games as a kid. You know where you put the blocks.
Yeah, the circle and the square.
In
Yeah.
little holes,
Yeah.
shaped holes. I don't know. From my experience, ain't gonna work. All right. Well, after 7 hours of surgery, this we got her in. You know, it was 2-piece. Now it's 1-piece. Look at that. Oh yeah, buddy.
Look at the whip and torque.
The hook set on that one, bud. That's a medium heavy right there. Let's bust this reel out. See what we got. Ooh. I have to say, for $4, it's not terrible. It's not terrible. The rod so far is terrible, but I mean, we'll see when it comes time to fishing. So let's put her together, and then we're gonna tie on the first bait and get her dialed. The reason why I want to go for a small, medium, and large fish is I want to test the rod.
Yeah.
I also want to test the reel. I want to test the line, and I also want to test the baits. We got the little grub tied on. Let's go catch us a gill, boys.
Bud, you see that flag? The
Land
only
of the-
flag that matters.
Land of the high taxes, boys. All right, first cast with the Swan Quality Fishing Dollarama rod. This guy.
Like,
Trying to
do
film
you
a
mind?
video here.
Do you actually mind? Yeah, you were saying.
Yeah, let's get the first cast in. That casted terribly. The line is scrapped. Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you guys right now, this is gonna be a grind. Holy smokes. Okay, so I'll tell you right away, if you do want to buy this, change the line immediately. Because it's terrible. All right, let's just try, I don't know, we're just gonna try to like drop it in front of us a little bit. Oh, you got it. Oh, did you get that?
Yeah. Got it. Got everything.
Does that count over under?
Hey, I would have gotten it.
What do you think?
Bud.
No, I gotta get one
Hey.
on the shore
Hey.
here.
It was 3 minutes, 12 seconds.
Yeah, boys, I don't know. Is it cheating if I change the line?
Yes.
Yes.
It's cheating, huh?
Yeah. I will not allow you to do that.
So I need to authentically catch the 3 different types of fish with this shitty line. See that? Look at that.
Oh, fucking.
Look at this.
That's a horse show, bud.
Anybody here who's maybe never fished before, fishing line, not supposed to look like that. Not. It's just not. Oh, there's a big one over there. Come on, big one. Come on, big one. Oh,
Mother
bite there.
effer, man.
Let me try
These
yours.
ones, I'm telling you. But you gotta say yeet when you throw it.
Oh, okay, yeah, I can see him better.
No, but you gotta say it.
Yeah.
Every time you gotta say yeet, they're the yeet glasses.
All right. The yeet glasses.
Yeah, it says yeet on them.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Come on. Come on. With the yeet glasses. Come on. Yeet. Yeah. Yeah.
That's what we wanted.
First catch of the day, boys.
Hey.
BB.
Nice little pick right there.
Let me change angles on them. I mean, maybe. Yeet. Without the yeet, sorry guys.
You didn't. You are forgiven.
I'm regretting this challenge right now.
Gotta get some POV action.
Yeah, get some POV. Oh. I saw a big one over there. Yeet.
Okay, guys, this is a little segment I like to call Tadpole Talk with Nasty. Do you guys see all the splashes there? Those are little tiny tadpoles with a golden brown hue. Hey, Hell's Angels, can you actually stop with the loud motorcycle? Thank you. Where was I? Yeah, Tadpole Talk with Nasty. Yeah, see the splashes right there. Those are a bunch of tadpoles. If you see that action, it means there's bluegills here. What are we trying to get?
Bluegills.
What's in there? Bluegills.
Yeah. Yes. Gill City, boys. There we go. With the yeet glasses. It's actually not a gill. I think it's a pumpkin seed. Well, first fish. Dollar store catches tiny fish. There we go. Little pumpkin seed. See you, buddy. All right, next up, bass. All right, boys, we're at spot number 2. We're looking for them bass. We're moving on to the good old dollar store Cincos and them good old jig heads. Now you can rig this in a couple different ways. You could do it like a kind of like a Texas rig sort of deal. You could do it as a wacky rig sort of deal. You could rig it in a lot of different ways. I'm probably gonna start off with the Texas rig, and if that don't work, we gonna wacky rig. So like I was saying, you can wacky rig it like that, tie it to your thing. You could do like that. I really like doing this instead. So I cut it in half. And just like that deal right there. Something like that. You could always cut it a little shorter, but I'm telling you, money bait, dude. Let's go catch some bass. All right, boys, we got it rigged up. Let's see how she does in the water. Any bites, Chief?
No bites yet, but best believe we're getting some.
All right, boys, spot number 2. Let's see, we got some splashes happening in front of us. Let's see if we can get one on this guy right here. Still can't cast for shit. It goes like 2 feet. Oh! Did you guys see that? Oh, that's hilarious. All right, we might have some luck here. Oh, there we go. Hey, there he is. Let's go. All right, thank you so much, my friend. Medium fish complete. Let's move on to the biggin. See ya, buddy. Let's go. At this point, we're just trying to test the rod. Now, I could probably catch a catfish with a jig and a worm, like one of those Cincos, but it's gonna take me forever. So I want to test the rod, I want to test the reel, I want to see if can it handle a kitty. We'll see. Stay tuned. Now, if only we had some bait. Let's go look for a worm. Oh, let me dig real quick. Oh, look at that, boys. We found worms all by herself without cheating at all.
Eventually.
There we go, boys. Eat it. Oh. And he's gone. Well, boys, I don't know how much I got of that on camera, but that was a fish for sure. That was a tench. It was a pretty big fish. I'd say probably about 15, 16 inches, give or take. So I don't know. Do we count that? Do we count that as job done, dollar store done? But he ate it, and the rod held up. It was just a line.